Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Hulu add-on channels subscription manager step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to hulu.com. Click login and sign in with the Hulu account that pays for your subscription. If you are already signed in, click your profile name in the top right corner. Select account to open your billing and plan settings. Scroll to the section labeled your subscription. Find add-ons and look for the Manage Add-ons option. Click Manage Add-ons to open the subscription manager page. Wait for the full list of available add-on channels to load. Review the add-ons you currently have so you know what will change. To add a channel, locate the add-on you want and toggle it on or check the box. To remove a channel, locate the add-on you want to cancel and toggle it off or uncheck the box. Read the price shown next to each add-on to confirm the monthly cost. Check if any add-on notes mention billing timing or required base plans. If you see a bundle option, compare it with individual add-ons to save money. After making changes, scroll down to find Review Changes. Click Review Changes to see your updated total and the effective date. Confirm whether the changes apply immediately or on your next billing cycle, as shown on screen. If asked, re-enter your password to verify account changes. Click Submit or Save Changes to apply your new add-on selections. Wait for the confirmation message that your subscription has been updated. Take a screenshot of the confirmation page for your records if you want. Open the Hulu app on your device and make sure you are logged into the same account. Go to Search or Browse to check that the new add-on content is available. If you removed an add-on, verify that those channels no longer appear in live TV or hubs. If the change does not show up, sign out of the Hulu app and sign back in. Restart the app or your streaming device to refresh the subscription status. Return to account on hulu.com anytime to double-check the add-ons list and billing amount. If you run into errors, contact Hulu support and mention you were updating add-ons in Subscription Manager. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.